Hello all, welcome to our Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to learn the how to pass the argument to our shell script. In previous video, we learned the how to get the values from the user input using the read command. So today we will discuss how to get the argument while running the our shell script, how to pass the argument while running our shell script, and how to get those value into our shell script, and how to use those variables arguments into the our script file. Okay, so now I will write on simple shell script for displaying the hello. Okay, now vi demo.sh, or I can take the hello.sh is my script name. I will copy the previous one because I don't want to waste your time. Paste it here. So I am writing the script for display hello message. Okay, today's date is the 24th and modification date also same. If you are having any different date, you can pass it here while you are practicing. Okay, my aim is to print only hello in the command line. So for printing, I will use the echo command, and message is the hello world. I will take two arguments here. Okay, I will print hello world, right? So this is my script, simple script. So I will copy this, paste it into the hello file, and I will execute this script. Give the permission to my file hello.sh, execute permission. Now you can run our script hello.sh. Now you can see it is print the hello world, right? So I had written the script for printing the hello world message into our command line prompt. But this is the hard coded value. Whenever you run this script, it will run only hello world. You want to make it dynamic, and you want to pass this message while running your script. For example, here we have the two arguments, two words, right? Means it has the two arguments. Then today we will understand how to pass this argument into our script. First, I will comment this hello world. Okay, so shell script will get the values from the command line argument. First argument will get by the $1. Second argument will get by the $2. If you are passing the third argument, just you can use the $3. But our need is here only two argument, right? You can use the so on. So how many arguments you can need? You can use those many arguments. For example, now I need the fourth argument. You can use the $4. First argument you are passing with your script, that will take in the $1. Second argument take into the $2. Third argument will take into the $3. So in this way, it will take n number of arguments. Okay, so my need is the only taking the two arguments, right? So this is my script, and I wanted to print those argument value here. Now copy it and open your file. Delete these all the lines and paste your script here. Now it's a dynamic. It is taking the value from your command line argument. You can run your shell script now. While running shell script, you have to pass your values here. First value is the hello. Second value is the word. So whenever you pass this first value hello, it will get into the our $1. And whenever you pass the word second as a second argument, that is get into the $2. Okay, now you can execute this. Now you can see your message is the hello word. Now you can run once again and you can pass the different value also here. For example, hi, hello, you want to print. So hi, hello means your script has become the dynamic and your script is taking the input from the command line argument. Okay. For example, in your script, you needed only two arguments. Because of that, it is you can passing that easily. But whenever you need the n number of argument, for example, you need the pass to the 10 argument, then you have to use the 10 argument list here. For example, $3, $4, $5, so on, right? N number of argument. Instead of this, you can pass those value into the array also. So how we can pass that values in the array? So this is our second script, means passing the values and getting those values and store into the array and print those values into the our command line. Okay, now I will comment this and I will get the value using the array. I can pass the n number of value and I can print the n number of value into the our terminal. Okay, echo for get that uh, n number of value, we have to use the array. In the shell script, if you are using the array, first you can define any one variable for store those values, arrays values, and display it. Okay, arguments is equal to you can use it into the parenthesis, then double quote, dollar symbol, and at the rate. So it is the symbol of the array in the shell script. You can get the number of values in the array form and it will store into the argument variable and it will print into the terminal. If you want to print into the terminal, for example, first we will understand how to get that in how to use those values into your script for while printing. For example, echo. Okay, I wanted to print only two arguments. So for using this argument, you can use the curly brace dollar curly braces. Inside that curly braces, you have to use your variable name. Args is our variable name, right? Then which index you want to print. For example, array will store in the indexes. For example, uh, first index start from the 0. Whenever you store the value, when any value in the array, so it will divide in the indexes, first value, second value, third value, but array index will be start from the 0. If you pass first value, that will be stored in the index as a 0. Then if you want to print the second value, then you can use the same. But array index is the 1. Right? So now we will print this. We will execute this shell script vi open our shell script file, delete these all the lines, paste it here. Now you can execute our shell script. Two arguments, hello world. Now you can see it is printing the hello world. But if you are passing the third one also, for example Tom, so it is displaying only two values because we are printing only two values. It is getting the three values and printing two values, means it is you are using only two values. If you want to print how many values you are getting, so you can use array here also. For example, for use that arguments into your somewhere into the in your script, so you can use in this way. Or so if you want to print all the array values, you can use, instead of this, just you can use the dollar at the rate, and it will take n number of values and it will print the n number of values. Now open our shell script, delete. For deleting, I am pressing the DDD only, so it will delete the lines. Okay, now I am passing the three arguments. It will print the three arguments here. Now I will pass the fourth argument, like Ram. It is passing the fourth argument. If you are passing the fifth argument, like Sham, it will take a n number of values and it will use those n number of values and print those n number of values into your terminal. So we will understand these argument values, how to use in our basic shell script. Before that, I wanted to share one thing. So here we are getting the arguments right from the our command line while running our shell script, right? So here while printing this $1, $2, $1 means first argument, $2 means second argument. If I pass here 0th argument, what will be print? We will check that. Okay, it will print our shell script name. If you use the array, 0th index is the first argument. If you are used the normal arguments, then it will print our shell script name. Right now, hello world I'm passing here, so it will print our script name hello.sh. 0th argument is nothing but the our script name, and first argument is the hello, second argument is the world, right? So this is the example. We understand how to pass the argument to our shell script. Now we will understand how to use that in our basic scenario. For example, I will write one simple script for install the multiple packages into the Ubuntu machine. Okay, copy this. Now for installing any packages into the Ubuntu, first you have to use the sudo apt update -y, right? For installing the packages, sudo apt install or package name. First we will get first $1 package, and second, in the second line we will use the install $2. Here we are running the 2 times our script, right? 2 packages we are installing here. Instead of writing in the multiple line, you can use that here also. comment this and use -y for disable the asking the questions. Now we will run this shell script in the our server. Vi, our shell script name is the install.sh. Paste it here. Give the permission to our shell script a plus x install.sh. Now you can run our script for install the packages. For example, I want to install the git and second command is the tree. So I want to install two packages. One is the git and second is the tree. Now you can see our script is working fine. In this way, you can use the arguments in your shell script. So this is the one way. Okay, this is the one purpose. Yesterday, in the yesterday's session, we learn how to get the values, like where use the name and password, or we can get the we can get the values name and age. So in that way, how to use our arguments to pass the values, we will understand that one also, that one scenario. Okay, first copy it, paste it here. Name is my variable is equal to, I am getting that name from the first argument. Second is the age is my variable. I'm getting age from the second variable. And I wanted to print this message echo. This is dollar name. Second, dollar name your dollar age you are old. Okay, this is my script. Run this script into your server. age.sh. Paste it here. Save and exit. Give the permission to our script a plus x age.sh. Now you can run our script and pass the argument. First argument for the name. For example, name is the Ram, age is the 30. Now you can see this is Ram. Ram, you are 30 years old. Message is the wrong, but you can take it a 30 years old. For example, in this way you can use these argument based on your requirement. Okay, I thought you understand how to pass the argument to our shell script and what is the use of the arguments in the shell script. Just I forget to tell you another one argument. For example, you want to check how many arguments you had passed into your shell script. Okay, now if you want to check that, you can use echo $hash. First check the number of argument passed into the your shell script. Now you can copy it, edit our shell script, paste it here, run our shell script. See, we are passing the 2 arguments in our shell script. So I thought I share the most of the things in the our this session, so you can understand these basics and you can use these basics into your shell script while you are working in the real world. So please practice this. You can remember these all the things while if you are practice more and more, then only you can remember it. So if you are like my session, please like and comment to the my video, and if you are like my video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.